officially day 2 of our Disney World trip, and we are headed to the Magic Kingdom. We had a later start this morning. We planned on doing right when the park opened, but we got home so late yesterday. We were exhausted from our travel day and basically doing all of Hollywood Studios, so we decided let's sleep in, enjoy the Magic Kingdom. We have plenty of days left. So it's about 9:30 and we're about to meet up with Joe and Athena and go to the Magic Kingdom, see the castle. Oh, here's Tyler. Are you ready for Magic Kingdom?
Heck yeah, let's go.
Taking a bunch of photos in front of the castle. It says it's only a 25-minute wait, so we're kind of hustling, bustling to get over there before it actually goes up.
This would be nuts. Two for two, hitting two of the best rides.
Two of the best rides
in the first 2 hours.
Especially because you're tall, like I don't think you'll hit, but like you'll look like you'll hit, and if you lose a finger,
it looks like right, so I'm literally right here.
I know.
So I'm like, I'm not.
No, I was like holding on tight the entire time.
I was like this in your chair.
If I move an inch outside of the
I couldn't stop like scream laughing. I was just dying in there.
That was pretty good.
It was so much fun. Perfect first ride here.
Yeah.
That was good too. And what was the wait time? Like 15? We had like a 15-minute wait time before like the wait time bumped right up. So what we're doing now, I have no idea, but let's go.
Let's go.
Seize the day. On our way to Big Thunder Mountain, we saw that Haunted Mansion was only like 15-20-minute wait. So we're stopping in and going to visit the hallowed spirits.
Tranquility. It's time to respond. Send us a message somewhere beyond. Gossip and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
Big Thunder Mountain time. We finished on Haunted Mansion. It was a good one. And now we're about to go on some wild rides.
See the lines inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the
wildest ride in the wilderness. So, we just got off of the Jungle Cruise. We had Skipper Brooke and she was amazing. Turns out she's actually from Jersey and we kind of got stuck a little bit on the boat, just taking some time to get off. And we started talking about pork roll versus tail ham and it was so much fun. And she is from South Jersey, so we disagreed a little bit. But she was hysterical. And now we are stopping, eating some popcorn and gonna try to figure out what else that we want to do. so we'll take them over there and then explore the park ourselves. He's so cute. Lizard boy.
Look, don't jump off.
First ride in Animal Kingdom, dinosaur. Roar. Oh, dinosaur.
That was freaking loud.
I screamed the whole time.
Yeah, you did.
I knew the dinosaur was coming at some point, like the one where it pops out. But I didn't know
She
where.
still screamed.
I screamed the entire ride in preparation for when that thing was gonna like come out. Now, Athena and Joe are gonna go on a little dinner date, and then me and Tyler are gonna go on Expedition Everest.
Yes.
Woo! Let's go find that. Yes.
I was not expecting that in the least.
No, we said hi to Disco Yeti, aka Betty the Yeti.
Betty the Yeti.
Betty the Yeti. But yeah,
The savage.
it was very intense. And the backwards part was like really like
That was really long.
scary though. But yes, now we're off to Pandora.
Yeah.
Look at these mountains. Ah! What music? So we decided to, it's 6:45. We decided to hop on to Flight of Passage line. It was only about 40 minutes, so, and we're already moving and grooving. So we'll see what happens. But I'm so excited. So pretty here.
It's crazy.
It's so insane how this is like,
I wish it was dark already.
even here, I know. I don't know if it's gonna get dark for like when we're here, but the sun decides to set late now, so. But I'm so excited. Here we go.
Flying on the back of this powerful animal called an ikron, or as we call it, a banshee. Or studying banshees and their environment.
Wow. Oh my god, it was so amazing.
That was crazy.
It was like, it was beautiful. And it's like you could feel the banshee like breathing on your
Yeah,
legs.
that was crazy.
And then like splashes, you were getting misted. And anytime the banshee fell, you like felt it. It was like,
It was great.
it's like we just went to like Pandora. Felt great. Oh my god, it is worth it.
That was really
So worth it. Oh my god, I wanna go again. So, after Flight of Passage, we were walking out of Pandora and we ran back into these two. So, we decided we are gonna go to EPCOT, find us something to eat, probably around the World Showcase, and then explore a little bit, see if there's any good rides, and then take the Skyliner back to the hotel. And just like that, we are at EPCOT.
Here, gang.
Fish and chips for the boy. Now I am at the French Pavilion. I'm gonna get like a ham and cheese croissant. I've been having my eye on it, so I'm excited. We did also go on to Spaceship Earth earlier and busted our way here so we can find some food to eat because we haven't eaten and it is 9:30. 9:30. So we get some food in us. Woo! And then we'll be back at EPCOT tomorrow.
Yep.
Right, we have the lovely ham, cheese, and something croissant. I don't remember the name of it. So I got the croissant I wanted from France, and we walked all the way to Italy so we can eat it with a view. I'm so excited. Here, you wanna film me? You wanna film the action? Oh my god, oh my god.
How is it?
No, it's good.
Is it good? I will.
And just like that, the day is over. We had a very long day. We started off in Magic Kingdom, went to Animal Kingdom, and then EPCOT. 3 parks in one day. Maybe we'll do 4 parks one day. Tomorrow morning we have a 9:30 reservation at the Wave in the Contemporary. And then we have an EPCOT reservation. So we'll go back there and have more food. And it'll be fun.
Yeah.
Tonight we also decorated our window, which we'll show maybe later. But yes, for now we are off to bed to rest our legs, rest our feet, and get ready for tomorrow.